How to fix character AI chat error. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your character AI, and after that right click on this particular page, click on inspect element and wait for it to load. Now select this arrow. After that, select the option of application, and over here select storage. Then you would be able to find this option of clear site data, but before that, make sure that you have checked the cache memory option over here or cache storage. Then click on clear site data, and after that your chat should be working quite fine. If the problem is still there, simply open up that particular chat from here and open up the character and its settings, and here you get to customize this according to your needs and requirements. Make sure that you change it accordingly. And you can also make changes to the character by clicking on this option of edit over here, and just see whether your character has been edited properly or not, and this way you would be able to find the error. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.